Hello, welcome to your podcast with Universal Sound Academy. Types of character: bright spark, a clever person; chatterbox, a person who talks a lot; cold fish, someone who has very little emotions, who is regarded as hard-hearted and unfeeling; dark horse, someone who has greater abilities than he shows or than other people are aware of; happy camper, a person who is always happy and satisfied. Happy camper is always in the negative. Lone wolf, someone who prefers his own company and does not like socializing. We can also say a lone bird. A nerd, someone who is very interested in science or technology, particularly in computers. Party animal, someone who likes to attend parties often. I hope you've learned the type of characters. Thank you. You can drop your questions in the comment section below. Bye bye.